So the thing is that today the Muslims are more bothered about their seat in dunya. So I tell in my talks, you don't be bothered about your seat in dunya, whether you're powerful in a company or organization or a city or a state or a country. You strive for your seat in Jannah. And that is eternal seat. This seat, so people are more bothered about, they are taking the help of a non-Muslim country for protection.
The GCC, like, it's, yeah, you're right.
And most of the Muslim countries...
Are you banned from the GCC?
No. Most of them are willing to give me citizenship.
Alhamdulillah.
But so I've been offered from 15 countries citizenship. But I prefer, Malaysia.
Malaysia it's a good choice, and I have to say you made the right choice.
I prefer staying in Malaysia, mashallah. So the thing is that unfortunately, of course, they love me, they respect me. So we are trying to use whatever a little bit influence we have to try to get them closer to Quran and Sunnah.
Right.
And now the situation you see that we should realize that Allah is the one. If Allah helps you, no one can overcome you. And we see in the history of the Prophet, in the Battle of Badr, where Muslims were only 300 and the opposition was 3 times more and they won the battle. The same thing, now you see what's happening in Afghanistan. For more than 20 years, they have spent more than $1 trillion, America. And finally they had to leave Afghanistan.
Taliban won against the strongest military in the world.
And they were the weakest country. Yeah. Now what's happening in Iran? So with all the top fighter jet, F-35, F-16, F-15 and their radar, everything, Muslims should realize that the one who can protect us best is Allah. So if you go away from the teachings of Allah, so when we realize this, that Allah is the one who can, and when we start not fearing death, now because we fear death, we are paying billions of dollars to the kuffar, non-Muslim to protect us. When you don't fear death, so the Prophet said, Kahan will be in the Muslim. Love of dunya and fear of death. So the moment you start not loving dunya, that for me wealth is nothing. So if you start doing that wealth is nothing, you lead a simple life. I don't want a position, I don't want a seat, I want an akhirah. And then you stop fearing death. That's what happened. Taliban, they were not afraid. Iran is not afraid. Yes. So when they say that you're going to bombard the bridge or bombard the place where the nuclear site is there, they are making human chain. Imagine. Other people run away. That if they want to bombard, they run away. So they're making a human chain. That means they don't fear death. Oh, okay, we have differences with Iran. Correct? They have done their atrocities. But that is different. At this time, we should forget our differences.
Thank you. You're saying everything that I want.
We have differences. That's the different thing. So we're not going to talk about, see, at the time of the Sahabas, if you see the history of the Prophet and of the Sahabas had differences. Yeah. But when a third party came to take advantage, they said, you dare interfere between, we are brothers, we are Muslims. We will sort it out among ourselves. You don't come and take advantage. So this is what we see in the history of the Sahabas. So I'm reservation. But now, when Israel and America are attacking a Muslim country, how can we support?